Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into great outdoors as we tackle the stunning Lower Bristlecone Trail. This hike promises breathtaking views, fresh air, and a chance to reconnect with nature. And remember, if you love the outdoors as much as we do, be sure to like and subscribe for more adventures.
The unexpected trail, and we don't have the arrow sign, so we don't know where this thing is leading us to figure out. Whew. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, so we still have more time. If we lost, we can still make it back home before it's gonna be dark, so I'm not worried about this. Temperature is 65, but it's still hard because of the sunlight.
Walking for 57 minutes, 2.12 miles.
Wow. Not really tired, just enjoying the view. You can see all up there. Like 2.5 miles go back. It's close up there. This is one of the off-road trail you can do, but I don't recommend if you don't know how to really do the mountain climbing. And I recommend you guys to have a good shoes, because I can see the campground down there. That's the same campground we had a camping last night. Here she comes. We came all the way up there. Not recommended. And we're here within 10 minutes. For me, I can walk in mountain really easy, but for her it was hard. But I'm trying to make her a mountain girl, so I can take her anywhere for hiking. You see that campground? That's the 31. That's where we camped last night also. Thank you. We'll see you later.